In this video, I will show you how to get the day name from the date in Excel like this using 3 methods. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the day names from these dates like Monday, Tuesday, etc. To get the day name from a date, we can use the Excel text function. The text function converts a number to text in the given specified format. This function accepts two arguments, the number we want to convert to text and the format we want to apply to the output text. Since dates are numbers in Excel, we can use this function to format the dates as well. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type text followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date as the first argument and then type a comma. Type the small letter D 4 times, that is DD, DD in the double quotes as the second format argument. This format represents the full day name like Monday, Tuesday, etc. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the day names from the dates. Instead of the full day names, we can also get the shorter day names like MON, TUE, etc. To get the short day names from the dates, use the DDD format, that is the letter D 3 times instead of the DD format like this. As you can see, we now have the short day names from dates. We can also use the choose function along with the weekday function instead of the text function to get the day names from a date. The choose function returns a value from the list at the given position or index value. We need to specify the index and 1 to 254 value arguments to this function. Here is the formula that extracts the day name from the dates using the choose function. Here the weekday function extracts the day number from this date. It serves as the index for the choose function. Arguments 2 to 8 create a list of all the 7 days. The weekday function returns 1 as the day number for the first date. The choose function then returns the element located at the index 1 from the list, which is Sunday. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the full day names extracted from the dates. We can also get the short day names like MON, TUE, etc. by replacing the full day names with the short day names in the choose function. Here is the updated formula to do that. As you can see, we now have the short day names for each of these dates. Instead of the full day names or short day names having 3 initial characters, we can define any text we want as day names in the choose function. For example, in this choose formula, I have defined the list of the day names having only 2 letters of each day. If you just want to display the day name for the date, you can use the cell formatting option. To do that, select the cells containing the dates. Now press Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard to open the Format Cells dialog box. Click the Custom option from the left side. Now type the small letter D 4 times, that is DD, DD in the type text box. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have the full day names displayed instead of the date values. Similarly, you can enter the small letter D 3 times, that is DDD, to get the short day names displayed for the dates like this. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.